Okay, I'm on my way back from the grocery store. Actually, I just got back from the grocery store, and I saw on YouTube somebody was advertising an electric bicycle or electric car he made. A teenager made one for who knows how much money, and he says 2 cents a gallon is what he gets, which I don't know what that works out to. I guess that at $4 a gallon, you'd have to go like 400 miles. So 2 cents, he's claiming like 200 miles to the gallon or something like that. But anyway, so the whole ride out, it's bothering me, it's irking me, because I'm thinking to myself, like, the kid borrowed money, probably spent like $30,000 on the car, and I can't see how he's getting 2 cents a mile, is what he's claiming. But anyway, I make about 3 or 4 a year. I sell them for some extra money on the side to people, like $300 or $400 I usually get to put one of these things together. The ones I make look pretty good. The ones I make, they're all painted up and everything looks really good. Everything's all buffed out. But when I make one for myself, I don't spend any money at all. I can't. I mean, I can't put a lot of money into one of these things. I've been doing them for like 8 years. So anyway, if you look at this thing, it's a Schwinn bike. It's a Schwinn bicycle I got from the Ewing Boys and Girls Club Bike Exchange. That's where that came from. That was last Saturday. Last Saturday I came home with this. So I went up there, I got that bike. You know, this is kind of a designer bike. It's not really a stock bike. It looks kind of designered out. But anyway, it came with front suspension, came with wheels. It was basically ready to go. Needed a tune-up. I got that for $30. Okay, so I come home, I have the bike for $30. Then I take this piece of steel right here, and I take this piece of metal. I can't even see what I'm pointing at. There's sunlight on the YouTube thing, or on the camera. I take this piece of metal and I put the engine that I got for $30 at the flea market, and I put them together. And I can't even see what I'm videotaping here because there's so much light on the camera. But anyway, there's a drive roller, and the drive roller right there is spinning the tire. Okay, so this tire will go about 500 miles, 400 or 500 miles before it's got to be replaced, and that's a little longer than cars used to go for before they needed a tank of gas. It used to be like 300 miles. But anyway, some cars I guess go 5 now. But anyway, so you ride this thing around, and I mean, it's really economical. I mean, you're talking, if you wanted to make one for yourself, if you didn't want to hire somebody like myself to make one, you're talking about, I got 30 in an engine, I got 30 in a nice bike. The seat is kind of trippy, but the seat it's off a cruiser bike. But anyway, so that's basically it. I mean, I didn't put anything else on it except for new tubes and new tires. Some people, they feel like, are they safe? I've heard people say, are they easy to ride? Are they hard to ride? It looks complicated. It looks like you have to be a circus clown or something. You don't. I mean, you just got to pedal. But anyway, what you're looking at right there is 2 cents a mile, and it only costs you your cost like $70 to make. If you want to meet somebody like me to make it, they give you a new engine for like $400 or $500 it costs for the whole thing. But anyway, that's all it costs. But to illustrate how easy these are to ride, I'll take it down the road. I'll show some acceleration. I think top speed on this one's about 35 miles an hour. It should probably go about 8,000 miles before the engine fails. Let me throw on my helmet, and to show how easy these are to ride, I'm going to hold the camera. I don't know how good it's going to come out, but I'm going to hold the camera while I'm riding, and you can see for yourself. This is faster, every bit of a Pook moped, faster even than a Pook or Tomos or whatever people are spending $5,000 for or $3,000 for. Let me throw on my helmet. Okay, and let's go for a ride. Okay, back home, there's another cheap one. I mean, that one's like 70 mile an hour, 60, 70 mile an hour, the one on the right, and a three-wheeler. But anyway, be skeptical. Somebody says that they're getting like a cent per mile or 2 cents per mile or something. It's costing them a lot of money to build it, and I don't know. It ain't what it says. Thanks, bye.